Hind. Happy International Yoga Day. See, trekking up, good weather. It's so nice here. See, the plantation, the trees. You can have a good walk here and enjoy. Nice. It's raining a bit. Weather has become so pleasant. 21st June 2025, where country is moving ahead with all the good health. We in this area celebrating the International Yoga Day in a better manner. Wonderful weather. Nice. You can have a view also here from here. See. This yoga day, it brings a sense of good health internationally, and then you should do it on daily basis. Enjoy places like this. Have good time. Should refrain. Message to the youth: refrain from taking drugs. If you really want to lead a good life, a beautiful life, then you have to refrain from all nasha vashaj, all sort of drugs, and enjoy like this. God bless everyone. Country may prosper, progress, and move ahead with all sort of development and a multi-pronged prosperity and progress. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Today it is 21st of June and we are celebrating International Yoga Day. It is a positive step towards our good health, and it should become a routine of our daily life. Good health is your responsibility. You have to spare your precious time, at least in the morning or the evening hours, to remain fit, happy, healthy, and then you can do any work in a most effective manner. Your health is your responsibility, as already covered. Nobody will come forward and say that you go and take care of your health first and then do other works. It is your responsibility and you have to spare time for it. Most important thing you must do is you must plant lot of trees around your home, in the area, or anywhere you get the opportunity, because they will give you oxygen, they will give you good fresh air, which will make you healthy, which will not allow any disease to creep into your body. So the responsibility is a combined responsibility, and everyone has to at least plant one tree in your home. There are 140 crore people in our country. If they plant one tree, it will become 140 crores. And if it is carried on for a month, it will become millions and billions of crores of the trees. So responsibility is combined. Second thing, a message to the youth to refrain from the drugs and any sort of nasha vashad for that matter. Eat good food, good healthy food, and then enjoy your life, healthy life. See, a beautiful tree I have come. See, we can enjoy here. Nice, thank you. Jai Hind. Wish you all a very good health.